Hey there, it's David here with another edition of Two Yeses and a No. In today's edition, we're going to say what are red flags in a home inspection that you should possibly walk away from, or one that it's okay to have, and just kind of go through the deal. So one of the yeses, which may be a showstopper, is if you have knob and tube wiring. It's a type of electricity wiring used to have in really old homes in the early 1900s, and it is no longer allowed here in the city of Toronto. And if you do find knob and tube wiring throughout the home, it may cost you $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 to just fix it and bring it back. Maybe even more than that if you have a larger home. So that may be a showstopper for you because it's a lot of money. The second thing is if you have a cracked foundation in the home, again, that can cost you a crazy amount of money. You have to rip everything out, fix the whole hole on the outside, and then put everything back. Again, it could be tens of thousands, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 to replace. So those may be showstoppers for you. What is probably not a showstopper for you is if you find mold in an attic. It happens a lot, between the moisture and everything happens. It's a lot easier. It's easy to remedy. You can figure out what the issue is. But then if you have somebody to come remediate it, it may only cost you a couple $1,000s to fix it, maybe even up to maybe $4,000 or $5,000. Again, it's not a huge issue, a huge expense to fix that. Bye for now.